Okay, this problem says click here to watch the video. It's a 10-minute video. You don't need to watch it unless you just want to, and it's actually of a totally different problem. It's one of those problems about jail time. So in this problem, you got a building that's worth $186,000. It depreciates. Let me get my pens going here. It depreciated for tax purposes. That's what this subtraction sign in the equation tells you. Depreciated means it's going to go down in value. By its owner using the straight line depreciation method, and the value of the building Y after, and here's the other tricky part, after X months of use is given by that formula. So I've got Y is equal to, here's the $826,000 that it's worth. It's going to depreciate, and I can see right here it's going to depreciate $2,500 every month. Remember, X is your months, and Y, the value of the building Y. There's the value of the building Y. And they want to know after how many years will the value of the building be? $706,000. So that number needs to go right here. $706,000. Okay, now we're going to solve for X, and you can use your calculator if you want with the intersection method. You would let this be Y sub 1 and this over here be Y sub 2, and you'd get those in there, and then you'd have to hit your second trace button, number 5 for intersection, and then enter, enter, enter to find where they intersect. Okay, or you can just do the algebra, which this is just a two-step equation, so honestly it would take more time with the calculator than it would to just, do the algebra. But it's a personal choice. You decide what you want to do. Algebraically, I would subtract the $826,000 from both sides. That's going to give me a negative $12,000 on the left side of the equal sign, and then those cancel, but I'd still have the negative 2,500x on the right side. And then the last step would be to divide off this, that number there. And so what I'm going to end up with is 48 is equal to X. Now, if you go into my math lab and you type that in, it's going to tell you the answer is wrong, because they asked, let me get another highlighter here, after how many years? Okay, X, where's my pink one? X is how many months. So I have to take that 48, and there's 12 months in a year. So 48 divided by 12 gives me an answer of 4 years. And that 4 years is my answer. So I'm going to jump over here to my math lab, which I have right here, and type in the 4, enter, and excellent. So I hope that makes sense. Again, this video is optional. You can click on it, it opens up, and you can see right here it's a 10-minute video. But it talks about, describes the mean time Y served, and they do take you through and show you how to do it on the calculator. Remember, I said we're not doing the intercept method, we're just doing the intersection method. We really only need one method on our calculator, and I prefer the second one. So anyway, or you can just do, the algebra. Whoops, what happened there? I don't know. Anyway, that's that, and let me know if you got any questions.